If you've been using CapCut for a while, you've probably noticed a frustrating change. Many of the features that used to be completely free have now been moved behind the CapCut Pro paywall. Whether it's premium effects, export without watermark, or even basic tools like text animations, CapCut has gradually locked more of them away, leaving everyday creators stuck or discouraged. It's frustrating, especially if you're someone who relies on CapCut to create eye-catching content quickly. You open the app, get your edits ready, and then boom! Upgrade to Pro pops up just when you need a crucial feature. But don't worry, this tutorial is your lifesaver. In this video, I'll show you a 100% legal method to unlock all CapCut Pro features. No watermark, no login, and no cracked app involved. Whether you're editing videos for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or just for fun, this method will give you full creative control without restrictions. So if you're tired of hitting paywalls and just want to get back to creating amazing videos, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more juicy tutorials like this. I drop simple, powerful tricks to help you level up your content without spending a dime. Let's get started. If you don't already have the CapCut desktop app installed on your PC, the first step is to open your browser and head straight to the search bar. Type in CapCut and hit enter. In the search results, click on the very first link. That should take you directly to the official CapCut website. Once you're on the site, you'll see a download button. Click on it to begin downloading the CapCut software to your computer. Now, since I already have CapCut installed on my system, I'll skip the download process. But if this is your first time, make sure to go ahead and download the installer, then follow the on-screen steps to get it installed properly. Once installation is complete, launch CapCut. When it opens, you'll notice something important. I'm not logged in. That's intentional. You don't need to sign in or create an account for this trick to work, so make sure you skip any login prompts and stay signed out. Before we jump into editing, we need to adjust one quick setting to keep things organized. Look at the top corner of the app and click the settings icon. Inside the settings menu, navigate to the Draft tab. This is where you'll choose the folder location for your saved project drafts. In my case, I'm going to create a new folder and name it CapCut Pro. Once that's done, select the folder and hit Save to confirm. Now let's begin creating. Click on Create a Project to open a fresh editing workspace. It's time to import some files. I'll go ahead and select a few videos and photos from my computer and then click Open. CapCut will now import all the selected files. Once they appear in the media library, just drag and drop them onto your timeline to start editing. Here comes the exciting part, unlocking and using the Pro features. Let's head over to the Effects tab. Browse through and pick one of the Pro-only effects. I'll drag and drop it onto the first clip in the timeline. Now let's repeat the same for a second Pro effect on the next clip, and one more on the final clip. After that, move to the Transitions tab. You'll notice many of the transitions are marked as Pro features. Pick one you like and apply it across all clips in your timeline. Now let's add some captions to our video. Click on the Captions tab, then hit Generate. CapCut will automatically create captions based on your video's audio. Give it a few moments to complete. Once it's finished generating, go to the Template section. From there, choose a Pro-style caption design and apply it. Since all the captions are selected, the style will automatically apply across the entire video. Let's hit play to preview the result. As you can see, all of the Pro effects, transitions, and stylish captions have been applied successfully. Now here's where most users get stuck. When you try to export the video, CapCut detects the use of Pro features and prompts you to upgrade to CapCut Pro. But stay with me, because here's where the magic really happens. Click Back to Edit to return to your timeline. Now follow these steps very carefully. Select everything in your timeline, all clips, effects, transitions, and captions. Once selected, right-click and choose the option labeled Create Compound Clip. CapCut will merge all your edits into a single compound clip. Once that's done, right-click on the compound clip again, and this time select Pre-process. Now you just have to wait while CapCut processes the clip. How long it takes depends on the length of your video, so be patient and let it finish. When pre-processing is complete, it's time to go under the hood. Open your File Explorer and navigate to the folder you set earlier for your CapCut drafts. In my case, it's the folder I named CapCut RP. Inside that folder, you'll see another folder named CapCut Drafts. Open it, then dive into the next subfolder. Inside that, locate a folder named Resources. Open it, then look for a folder called Combination. And boom, there it is. You'll find a video file that's already been pre-processed with all your Pro features intact. Drag that video file right back into CapCut. Drop it onto your timeline. You can now delete the original compound clip if you want. We only need the newly generated video file from this point. Now let's try exporting the video again. This time, you'll notice something different. No upgrade prompt. No Pro warning. CapCut will let you proceed as if you had full access. Go ahead and choose your export resolution and where you want to save the final file. Wait for the export to complete, and boom, it's done. Let's open the final exported video.
If you want unlimited access to both Gemini Pro and the VO3 video generator for free, then hit that like button, subscribe, and watch this video till the end.
Man, it's so hot, the sidewalk's cooking breakfast.
I ain't stepped outside 5 minutes and I'm already sweating like I ran a mile.
Ow.
As you'll see, the quality is top-notch. All the Pro features are fully intact. And best of all, you did it with zero login, zero hacks, and zero payment. If this tutorial helped you unlock CapCut Pro features without paying a single kobo, then do me one small favor. Smash that like button so more people can discover this trick. Subscribe to AI Pipeline and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on powerful, game-changing tutorials like this one.